there, thanks for clicking this video. So in this video we are going to learn about an application. So that application will help you to call to any person in a video and audio, and you can talk with them to practice your English is free of cost. So yeah, of course, as I just figured out to just recognize the system of this application, it was completely free, and besides you can talk only people they are also learner, so you are not going to connect any native speaker, because as I have a short experience to using this application. So most of the applications they don't have a video conversation, right? So in this application, video call and audio call both are free, but I think you will be able to connect with the people they are on your area. Are you connected with similar like countries like near to your area, like for example to India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, maybe some other countries, right? So you can just find a person, you can talk with them. You have a separately message option, you can make your my friend system. Anytime you can audio call, video call on your comfortable time, right? So if that is really convenient and you want that application, so I will suggest you to carry on watching this video. If you don't want to talk any person and they are related these countries, then you can leave this video. I don't want to waste your time. So that's what I would say. But if you want to get new experience, to gain more experience, a new experience, new application, so try to watch this video. The application name is Talk Plus. How much you like is depend on you to use. I won't guarantee, because of it's just depend on person that you like it or not. So let me show you in a detail. I'll like to show you my screen later, so you can just check a review that how I just recorded. So you have only short review. This time I'm not going to record a long review, just a 1 minute review of this application, and you can quickly see how you can connect with a call, how you can connect a video call, and how you can make a phone and message. That's all I would like to tell you. You can make that's simple, nothing more, no wasting time. So if you would like to, so let's go for quickly there and invest a little bit our time to learn something new. Okay, have a look there. So this is what application I was showing. This is Talk application, Talk Plus. So you can easily call, audio call and video call. It is direct. Simply you can click and automatically your call would be connecting anyone. You can see. So same way you have to click on video call, automatically video would be connected. This should be your message, and you can message any your students you want and your friend and that you have connected. Then you have tunes, you can select your own tunes, and that's very easy. The main another important thing is not open games. Open translator is very easy. You can simply add any language. Suppose you have English, right, you are going to add English, and then you can easily add any language other, for example Hindi. So you have to record in English. Okay, you will say in Hindi, it's written already. If you want to translate in another language, for example I do know a lot of languages, so especially let's go for Spanish. Como estás, right? So how are you, something like that. So you can make many things with translator. It's very useful. So you have 10 calls, 5 minutes you talk, your rating is 3, and that's all simple. This is your message option, and you can talk a support team. This is what you have online support team. You have any problem, you can talk with Open Talk support service team. And then you have this one, your ID, you have a wallet, you can easily have chance to win. So friends and call history, you have a call history, these all call you made already. So that's all I will suggest you. That's all simple review. Thank you for watching.